Good morning, students of class 9th. Myself, Mohit Misra. Today, we will discuss about the chapter number last in geography, fourth, the water cycle. The process in which water vapors and fall on the land as rain and later flow back into the sea by rivers is known as water cycle. Water flow through rocks containing soluble minerals. Some of them get dissolved in water. Thus, the rivers carry may nutrient from the land to sea, and these are used by marine organisms. When the water vapor condense as water droplet and grow big and heavy, they fall down in the form of rain. It ranges from 5 centimeter to 200 centimeter of rainfall in a year in our country. फिर क्या होता है इन लार्ज पार्ट ऑफ द इंडिया रेन्स आर मोस्टली ब्रॉट बाई साउथ वेस्ट और नॉर्थ ईस्ट मानसून डिप्रेशन इन द बे ऑफ बंगाल मे ऑल्सो कॉज रेन इन सम एरियाज. अब नेक्स्ट आता है वाटर इज वंडर लिक्विड. वाटर वंडर लिक्विड क्यों है वो देख लेते हैं. बिकॉज ऑल सेलुलर प्रोसेसन टेक प्लेस इन द बैटर मीडियम. Substances are transported in a dissolved form. Terrestrial form require fresh water to maintain the equilibrium of salt. Major resources to determine the life on the earth. अब आती है नेक्स्ट डी पॉइंट द डिजॉल्व्ड फर्टिलाइजर्स जैसे NPK, पेस्टिसाइड, DDT, सीवेज डिसीजिंग कॉजिंग ऑर्गेनिज्म waste from factories, etc. Mercuries and water released from the dams can affect the life forms on the earth. The dissolved oxygen is being used by animals and plants that live in water would adversely affect the aquatic organism. The change in temperature would be dangerous for the eggs and larvae of the various animals, particularly susceptible to temperature change. It leads to water pollution. यह वाटर पॉल्यूशन को लीड्स करती हैं. अब आती है नाइट्रोजन साइकिल की. द नाइट्रोजन गैस मेक्स अप 78% of our atmosphere. It is essential for the synthesis of proteins, DNA, RNA, urea, alkaloid, and vitamins. The simple molecular nitrogen from the atmosphere is covered into more complex molecules in the living beings and back again to atmosphere is called nitrogen cycle. The nitrogen fixation by lightning. During lightning, the molecular nitrogen is converted into oxides of nitrogen and dissolves in water to give nitric and nutritious nitrous acid and fall on land along with rain. These are then utilized by various life forms. Nitrogen fixation by bacteria. The molecular nitrogen is converted into nitrates and nitrates by freeing nitrites by free living bacteria or bacteria present in the root nodules of legumes. The conversion of molecular nitrogen into nitrates and nitrite is called nitrification. Plants generally convert them into amino acids. The conversion of nitrates and nitrites into ammonia is called ammonification. The conversion of ammonia into molecular nitrogen is called as denitrification. Thereby, nitrate and nitrites are converted into molecular or elemental nitrogen in the nature. Next point है बेटा नाइट्रोजन कार्बन साइकिल. The carbon dioxide makes up 0.039% of our atmosphere. Carbon occurs in the elemental form as diamond and graphite in earth. Carbon is essential for the synthesis of protein, carbohydrate, fat, nucleic acid and vitamins in living organism. The carbon dioxide fixation क्या होता है? Green plants convert carbon dioxide into glucose in the presence of sunlight through photosynthesis. The glucose molecule are converted into other biologically important molecules, and many marine animals such use carbonates dissolve in seawater to make shells. Exoskeleton. The carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is added by the presence of combustion, where fuels are burned to provide energy for various needs like heating, cooking, transportation, and industrial process. Next आता बेटा ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट. The percentage of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is said to have doubled since the Industrial Revolution, when human beings start burning fossil fuel on a very large scale. The carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas. The increase in carbon dioxide content would cause more heat to be retained by the atmosphere and lead to global warming. It is called greenhouse effect. अब आती बेटा ऑक्सीजन साइकिल की. Oxygen gas makes up 21% of our atmosphere. Oxygen is essential component of the proteins, carbohydrate, fat, nucleic acid in living organism. Oxygen from our atmosphere is used up in three processes, namely combustion, respiration, and in the formation of oxides of nitrogen. Oxygen is returned to the atmosphere in only one major process, that is photosynthesis. It is called oxygen cycle. The air is heated faster than water. The air over land would also be heated faster than the air over water bodies. The movement of air from one region to other create winds. During the day, the direction of the wind would be from the sea to land. At night, both the land and the sea start to cool. The oxides of nitrogen and sulfur gases dissolve in rain to give rise to acid rain. फिर क्या होता है? द स्मॉग इज विजिबल इंडिकेशन होता है ऑफ एयर पॉल्यूशन. द पॉल्यूटेंट्स bring respiratory, cardiac problems, and allergies. The organism called lichens are found on the bark of tree. They are indicators of pollution-free environment. The three atoms of oxygen O3 is used up three process, namely combustion, is called as ozone. The ozone is poisonous, but ozone layer around the earth, if dwindles further, may cause health hazard, including cancers. Recently discovered the ozone hole in the region of Antarctica. Okay, so it is all about today's topic and end of the syllabus. I hope you will enjoy And if you have any doubts, queries, then you can ask me to my WhatsApp number. Bye bye, students.